Imagine the market as a continuous stream of events. Millions of orders, milliseconds of priority, and a single fleeting opportunity that appears and disappears in the blink of an eye. Whoever recognizes that signal first gains an advantage. This is not theory, it's engineering. This is the Ethereum trading bot. This is not a promise of fortune. It's a system that formalizes decision-making, high-frequency data feeds, optimized execution paths, and strict entry rules. The bot continuously scans available routes on Ethereum, scores opportunities, and discards candidates that do not meet predefined criteria. The decision flow is simple and deliberate. Identify imbalance, measure market depth, validate slippage tolerance, and assess front-run risk, and only then initiate a transaction. The emphasis is on only. No speculative triggers without mathematical justification. Technically, this is achieved by combining three components: low latency data feeds, optimized transaction routing, and user-controlled risk rules. The bot is a tool to execute your strategy, not to replace your judgment. Importantly, the system never holds your private keys. All signatures occur in your wallet, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or any compatible provider. This is non-custodial by design. You retain full control of funds and approvals. One technical note: the system can, in select scenarios, make use of flash loans. Single transaction loans used to scale a clean opportunity. That capability is one tool among many and not the primary focus. Speed, routing, and controlled execution remain the core value. Transparency is fundamental. Every executed operation is logged: the chosen route, profit estimate, fees, and final result. You can always review why a route executed and which parameters were applied. The fee model aligns incentives. The platform charges 0.15% per transaction, but only on trades that are profitable. If a specific execution does not produce profit, you do not pay for that attempt. That alignment matters. The platform shares in wins, not in attempts. However, platform incentives do not replace trader responsibility. Position sizing, limits, and stop rules remain your responsibility. Risk disclaimer: no algorithm eliminates market volatility. Sudden liquidity withdrawals, order book reorgs, and gas spikes can affect outcomes. The tool provides a technical advantage, execution and routing, but long-term success depends on disciplined risk management. If you want to evaluate the system, inspect the logs, review preferred routes, and test with controlled position sizes. Ethereum Trading Bot delivers the technology and transparency. Final decisions and risk controls remain with you. Thank you. Stay disciplined and deliberate in your trading.